blazer to add a pop of color and personality to your outfit. 8. Blazers for different seasons. Blazers can be worn in different seasons. In the summer, you can wear a lightweight blazer with shorts and sandals or with a sundress. In the fall, you can wear a blazer with a sweater and jeans or a skirt. In the winter, you can layer your blazer with a coat or wear a blazer with a turtleneck sweater and trousers. In the spring, you can wear a blazer with a blouse and a skirt or jeans. 9. Blazers for different occasions. Blazers can be worn for many different occasions. You can wear a blazer to work with dress pants or a skirt. You can wear a blazer to a wedding with a dress or a suit. You can wear a blazer to a fancy dinner with a dress or dress pants. You can wear a blazer to a party with a dress or jeans. 10. Blazers for different body types. Blazers can be worn by people of different body types. If you are petite, you may want to wear a crop blazer that is shorter in length. If you are tall, you may want to wear a longer blazer that falls below your hip bones. If you are curvy, you may want to wear a blazer that nips in at the waist to accentuate your curves. If you are slim, you may want to wear a blazer that is fitted to create the illusion of curves. 11. Blazers for different styles. Blazers can be worn to create a variety of different styles. If you want to create a preppy look, you can wear a blazer with a collared shirt, khakis, and loafers. If you want to create a bohemian look, you can wear a blazer with a flowy dress and ankle boots. If you want to create a rock and roll look, you can wear a blazer with a band t-shirt and ripped jeans. 12. Blazers for different colors. Blazers can be found in a wide range of colors. Some popular colors include black, navy, gray, brown, beige, and white. If you want to add a pop of color to your outfit, you can wear a blazer in a bright hue like red, pink, or green. 13. Blazers for layering. Blazers can be layered with different clothing items to create a unique look. You can layer a blazer over a turtleneck sweater, a button-up shirt, or a graphic t-shirt. You can also layer a blazer over a scarf for a cozy look. 14. Blazers for formal wear. Blazers are a great choice for formal wear. You can wear a blazer with dress pants or a skirt for a sophisticated look. You can also wear a blazer over a gown to add a layer of warmth and style. 15. Blazers for workwear. Blazers are a common staple in workwear attire. You can wear a blazer with dress pants, a pencil skirt, or a sheath dress. Blazers can be dressed up or down depending on the formality of the office. 16. Blazers for casual wear. Blazers are not just reserved for formal or professional occasions, they can also be worn in casual outfits. Pairing a blazer with denim jeans, sneakers, or loafers creates a laid-back yet stylish look. You can also pair a blazer with a graphic t-shirt and distressed jeans for an edgy look. 17. Blazers for travel. Blazers make great travel companions because they can be worn in different settings and can be dressed up or down. When traveling, opt for a blazer that is made of lightweight material and is wrinkle-resistant to make packing easier. Pair your blazer with comfortable pants or leggings and a cozy scarf for a stylish and comfortable travel outfit. 18. Blazers for date nights. Blazers can also make for a great date night outfit. Pair a blazer with a lace or silk camisole, skinny jeans, and strappy heels for a chic and sophisticated look. You can also add a statement necklace or earrings to elevate the outfit. 19. Blazers for sporting events. Sporting events can be a great opportunity to wear a blazer in a casual way. Pair a blazer with your favorite team's t-shirt, distressed jeans, and sneakers for a comfortable and stylish sporty look.